Welcome into house number 3. We are still in Heartland, Texas. Beautiful, peaceful area, 30 minutes from Dallas. This home, you're walking in, you just saw the study and you saw where the garage would be. So that's where the model home offices are. So this home that we're standing in is 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, a little over 2,600 square feet. And it is, this actual floor plan would sell for around $450, which is an awesome price. So let's take a look. No, wait, I always forget this part. Builder incentives, they have them. It depends on, here again, on what you're doing, whether you decide to build, whether you do inventory, whether you do a quick movie in different builder, but they still have incentives. So you have to call me and then we can find out what works best for you. So this is your guest bedroom, which is separate from all the other rooms, which works wonderfully. Again, if you have kids or guests, this is their own bathroom to use. You look down, you see that you're walking in on luxury vinyl plank. It is very durable. If you have, a lot of people think they want hardwood. If you have kids or if you have pets, this is a wonderful product to have because it doesn't scratch up as much and it doesn't need as much maintenance. So here we go, y'all. Watch me walk around my favorite part. You already know what I'm about to say. This oversized island. This is my favorite part of this house. There's something about an island when you walk in. It gives a feel of luxury. So you're getting a feel of luxury that you would get in a home that was $800,000-900,000 in a home that is under $500,000. So I'm not even gonna count how many people could sit there. A lot of them. You have wonderful cabinet space because your island that's so big also have cabinets. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. Then we have the walk-in pantry. Love a walk-in pantry because you don't know how much space you need until you know how much space you need. Trust me. So here, another thing that I love is we have the wall ovens. We have the wall microwave, in-wall microwave. You have the pendant lights. That's another thing above the island. I'm a fan of those because it truly helps with the decor. You can decorate less when you have little things like that the builder already provides. And quartz, always quartz. So here we have your dining area. What do I like about it? I want you to look around. I actually like that this is separate but still in the open space. So everybody still can be hanging out, enjoying each other, but you have a separation. You have your laundry area over there. And here we are in our living area. When I do that, I need y'all to do it with me. And I want you to just take a look. Just take a look at what could be yours. If you're thinking about buying a house, this right here could be you. It could be you and your family sitting here watching TV, enjoying each other, chilling and relaxing. Come on, it's just getting better. So here we have your primary bedroom. Now, out of all the homes we looked at today, right, this is number 3, highest price point at, in the mid-4s. This is the largest primary bedroom. As you see, you have the king bed, so much space. This one does not have a bay window, but it doesn't even take away from the feel of it. Huge space. And before we go in that bathroom, I was gonna do this after, but we're not gonna go outside just yet. But look, right from your bedroom, you can go out to your own private area, your covered patio, relax and chill when the kids get on your nerves. Not that they do, but just in case they did. And here is your bathroom. Okay, here's what I'm loving about this builder and this floor plan. They are separating things that need to be separated. So you have your double vanities. If you have a boo and you share vanity space, you already know. That is wonderful. That is a huge plus. You don't have to share it. You have the large, I hope you didn't miss this, large garden tub. Sit back, relax, enjoy your day after work. You have your walk-in closet, your large shower with a bench. That's another plus. People don't understand how awesome that is when you have a shower. And that's for you to, be able to shave whatever you need to do up there. You can get it done. Now, let's take a look out here. Let's see how this wind is hitting now. Not so bad because we have this space that is bricked and beautiful. That's my new phrase. Bricked and beautiful. You can sit out here, have barbecues. Now, of course, this is an upgrade with this builder, right? Their patio is not, did y'all just see me almost fall? Their patios are not as extended, but you will still have an extended patio. These pavers are an upgrade. But I can tell you, even doing this yourself after the fact, it's an awesome thing to do because it helps in what your backyard looks like. And you have more concrete space whether you want to put decor, plants, grill, whatever it is you want to do. Let's check out the rest of the house. Look at that beautiful island. It just does something every time I walk in. All right. So we've seen one bedroom. We've seen the primary bedroom. And now in a completely different area. Did y'all catch that? Completely different. You're walking into your other secondary bedrooms because remember we have 4. So you have this, again, spacious and open. That is just going to be my word for the day, for the year. And then read that sign while I'm walking out because it's true. I'm going to read it for you. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy, so smile. Here is your bathroom for your guest, for your children. Okay, did you catch that? Walk back because I didn't prepare you. Okay, so you saw your bathroom. This is not a bedroom, guys. This is an entire additional flex area. We'll call it a flex room. We'll call it an entertainment area. We'll call it whatever you need to call it to make you buy the house. No, this is a wonderful area for you to have, whether you have kids, they have an area to play in, they have an area they can study in, or if you just need a little separate man cave, even though it's in between the 2 rooms, you still could have your space where you can enjoy TV. And then this is your 4th bedroom, plus the open closet. And again, this house, I do love this floor plan because of all of the extras that it does provide. Provides you with that entertainment area, provides you with a separate dining area, provides you with that awesome covered patio. And one thing I forgot to tell you, right? Your covered patio has vaulted ceilings, just like your beautiful living area, right? Your family area, vaulted ceilings, which adds to the space. It adds to the feel. So even though this home is 2,600 square feet, it will feel even bigger when you're in here. So when you're ready to buy this house, I need you to call me because I want to sit at your island and I want to have fun with you. Okay? Right now, I need you to go down there, push that subscribe button if you didn't, like the video, tell me what you think about it. Tell me which one of these 3 was your favorite. Also, I need y'all to tell me what other city do you want to see. I'm all about going all around Dallas for you. So you tell me, where do you want to see houses? And I'll do the same thing. 3 houses in that area just for you. So comment what house you want, what area you'd like to see. Follow me on, subscribe to me on YouTube. Follow me on all the other social medias under DFW, that stands for Dallas Fort Worth, DFW House Matchmaker. And call me, 214-289-5126. Okay, y'all? Thank you for watching. Can't wait to see you again next week. Bye.